Here, we would like to introduce ourselves. My name is Lady Monica Lanusaragi.
My name is Niska Apsia Rahab. Di sini kami akan menjelaskan mengenai satu contoh dialog asking dan giving opinion. Selamat menyaksikan teman-teman.
Hi Niska.
Hi lady.
Good morning Niska.
Good morning to lady.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thanks. How about you?
I've been very sad lately.
Why?
Because I'm lonely and have no friends to watch movie together.
I'm not bossy lately. I can accompany you to watch a movie together.
Have you watched the Squid Game series?
Of course, I have.
What is your point of view then?
There is no doubt in mind that the plot is mind-blowing. By the way, how about we watch another Netflix series together?
I strongly believe that is a great idea. We can watch Train Busan K-dramas.
That is great. Do you have any other film recommendation?
Of course, maybe you can watch 2 movies together.
Thank you, lady, for the movie recommendation.
You're welcome, Niska.
Thank you, everyone! Thank you, Elmar! Boom!